How to fix Facebook profile lock option is not showing. So first of all, you will have to open your Facebook account. So from here, you'll have to go with the option three line just at the top right corner of the screen. And from here, you'll have to go with the option settings. Okay, so from here in the search field, you'll have to type profile lock. Okay. Okay, so after searching the profile lock in the search field, you will go the options like profile locking. So simply from here you can lock the profile. So if you not get this option by searching on the search field, so you will have to report this problem to Facebook support. You will have to go with the option three lines, and then from here you will have to go with the options help and support, and from here you will have to choose the option report a problem. Okay, so simply from here you would have to scroll down and click on the option continue to report a problem. Okay, so it will take a little bit more time. Okay, so from here you'll have to click on this include option. Okay, so from here you'll have to scroll down and go with the options like privacy. So from here you'll have to describe or mention your issue that you are facing on your Facebook account. So simply from here you can explain your problem to Facebook team. So simply after that you will have to upload a screenshot from your Facebook account, like it is not showing a Facebook log option. Okay, so after you explain the problem and provide the screenshot that you are facing that problem, so the Facebook team will contact you in the 24 hours or late. So simply from there this problem might be solved. So this much, hope this video was helpful to you, and please, if any queries arise, just let me know them in comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.